Hello, candidates. December most important current affairs. Question answers 71. What is the projected real GDP growth for India for the financial year 21 as per RBI after the latest MPC meet, Monetary Policy Committee meet? Answer 7.5. 72. Name the winner of the first edition of the Kid of the Year award by the Time magazine. Answer Geetanjali Rao. Geetanjali Rao. 73. When is World Soil Day observed? Answer December 5. 74. Who is the winner of the 2020 Global Teacher Prize? Ranjit Singh Daisel. 75. Which day is observed as the International Volunteer Day? 5th December. In 76, Indian Navy recently organized passage exercise with which country in the Eastern Indian Ocean region? Answer Russia. 77. What is the theme of the World Soil Day 2020? Answer Keep Soil Alive, Protect Soil Biodiversity. 78. Dineshwar Sharma has passed away. He was serving as administrator of which union territory? Lakshadweep. 79. Which of the following bank recently partnership with RuPay and Visa to launch RuPay business credit card for MSMEs, micro, small and medium enterprises? Axis Bank. Question number 80. Who among the following is the author of the book 40 Years with Abdul Kalam Untold Stories? Answer A. Sivadanu Pillai. Question 81. Corey Anderson has recently announced his retirement from the international cricket. He was an all-rounder representing answer New Zealand. 82. The RTGS system of transaction will be made available round the clock from 14th December 2020. 83. Name the Indian who has been named in the Straits Times Asians of the Year for 2020. Answer Adar Poonawalla. 84. Which country has recently become the only second country after the US to unfurl its flag on the moon? Answer is China. The real-time gross settlement system is governed by which act? RTGS regulations. RTGS system regulations 2013. 86. Name the space tech startup which has signed an agreement with ISRO to launch its first remote sensing satellite onboard Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle project rocket. Answer Pixel. When is the Armed Force Flag Day celebrated in India? 7th December. Bangladesh has recently signed the first preferential trade agreement with which country since its independence in 71? Bhutan. 89. Ravi Patwardhan. Question number 89. Ravi Patwardhan, who has died recently, was a famous actor from which industry? There is Marathi film industry. Question number 90. Ravi Patwardhan. Question number 90. How much amount has been approved by Asian Development Bank for Bengaluru Smart Energy Efficient Power Distribution Project to modernize and upgrade the power distribution system in the city? $190 million. 91. International Civil Aviation Day is observed on which day every year? 7th December. 92. Manu Mukherjee, who has passed away recently, was a veteran actor. 93. Narinder Singh Kapani, who coined which of the following terms in 1956? He passed away recently. Answer Fiber optics. Narinder Singh Kapani, fiber optics. Then 94, which bank has recently launched the loan management solution called Lens, the lending solution? Punjab National Bank. Question number 95. What is the theme of the International Aviation Day from now until 2023? Advancing innovation for global aviation development. Advancing innovation for global aviation development. Question number 96. The central government has launched the quarterly return filing and monthly payment of taxes QRMP scheme for the taxpayers whose aggregate annual turnover is rupees 5 crore. Question number 97. Which country will host the Asia Cup 2021? Sri Lanka. Question number 98. Which Indian AMC has launched India's first international REIT fund of funds, Kotak Mahindra Asset Management Company? 99. Which country has won the International King Bhumi Bol Award World Soil Day Award 2020 by Food and Agriculture Organization? Answer, India. 100. Name the winner of 2020 Sakir Grand Prix. Answer, Sergio Perez. Very good. I'll stop with this. I think you have a lot more to go. Yeah. More than 100 and oh, more than 160, 170. Oh, Baba. Last is somewhere around 180. So many things are there. We will do it in the next video. Thank you.